Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and I had two different people email me today questions about the blend tool, and I'm going to answer one of them right now, and I'm still working on the other one. I can't really understand what he's doing, but I'm going to select these two items, and I'm going to blend them 5 times and hit apply. And his question was this right here, blend spacing. Set the distance between an object and a blend that fits the path. This is and it's grayed out. It's a distance that you could put in right here, and he couldn't figure out how to get to it. Well, it actually says it right there. Um, Let me just do this again. Well, it doesn't say it right there, but it's what it is. It doesn't change till you set it to a path. So let's do a let's apply that. So we have a blend. Now we're going to go down here and apply it to a new path, and we're going to apply it to here. And a couple of things you can do with this, you can blend along the full path. So it starts in the center of that line and both lines, but we're going to leave it like this right now. Now you can see this is not grayed out anymore. It's actually highlighted, or you can highlight it and click it on blue. So if you check that, now you can change the spacing. If you want all those to be 5 inches apart and hit apply, now these are 5 inches apart. Now, because they're a curve, they're not all equal from the center to the center. If you use from the center of that hole to the center of that hole is 5 inches. But if you go from the center of this one to this one, well, it actually is this time. And so they're both 5 inches. Sometimes that does not work out. Sometimes it's 100th off. And I just recently changed my thing to a bigger point, and I don't know why it's not doing it. And to change that, you click on that, and before you click on anything, click on a number. Let me get completely off something. Click on your text, and before you do anything, put 100 and it'll ask you a dimension. Now we can redraw this one. So I'm in the center. I got my text. I got my paragraph text. So you just need to click on that. Get back to my parallel dimension tool and see here it is from center to center is only 4.85. It's because it's going around that turn. See, that's 501. So they're not exactly. But the center one, so it's with the exception of that one, which I might have made a mistake on that one. Let's zoom in here so I can get a little closer. This isn't really what the video is about, but there's a center to that center, and we're 4.99. That's what it ought to be. It's normally within 100s off, and it all depends on your curving because it can't be perfect. But that's how you get to this factor, is when you're on your blend, this now will show up, or you can go back and go 5 steps and hit apply, and you can still go blend along full path and put apply, and it'll start that. It'll start and end on the path itself. So that's how you get that. And regardless of what you do, if you use this blend tool up here, it's the same thing. It's not highlighted, but when you do a path, just do one real quick. I'm just going to make a shape. I'm going to blend with this tool from there to there, and I just went 5. Now let's just make a path, and I'm just going to draw a line, convert it both to curves, get about in the middle, and bring it up. Now let's take this blend to this new path. So here you go under options, or right there, new path, tell it the path, and now you can click on that. Before you couldn't click on it because it's not on a path. And just like the other one, you can go to make it a full path, which is right here, blend along full path. Anyway, so I hope that answered his question, and thank you for watching.